Hi, this is Dustin Burrow with CIS 240 Windows Server 2012 class. We're doing activity 5.3 today. And what this is creating a VPN connection and testing the VPN out. You're going to need required tools and equipment, which is 411 Server 2 and 411 Win 8. Basically, what you're doing in this activity today is you are doing a test on the VPN configuration by creating a VPN client connection on 411 Win 8 and attempting to connect the VPN server. For this activity, you need to move 411 Win 8 to the 203.0.113.0/24 network and set the IP address on the 411 Win 8 network interface to the 203.0.113.10/24 network. Log on to 411 Server 2 as an administrator. Yes, I am. And in the book, it says get to your local users and groups. I'm just going to show you how I did it. I had to click on Tools. And as I was on Tools, I just went to my activity users and groups. Activity directory user and computers. And as soon as that opens up, we'll keep going. Okay, so I right clicked on users. I went to new, and I went down to user down here. Okay. And I typed in VPN test 1 to open the property. Create a user on the 411 server 2 with the username VPN test 1 and the password 01. Set the password to never expire. So I typed it in here, right here, on the user logon name. And then when I would get done, I would hit next right here. And then it would give me an option of setting my password. I would set it to password 01 on both, confirm it, and then I would use the never expires option. Then we want to double click the VPN test after we make it, and it's right here for me. And go to the dial in and make sure we have allow access on everything. So in the network, and then click OK. Now we got to go over to 411 Win 8, which I'm pretty sure you're just sensing in my voice. I'm just not too excited to do this anymore. On 411 Win 8, log on to the domain administrator. I'm already on. Click the desktop. Right click on your start button down here. And whenever it feels like it will get you to the right place you need to get to. Alright, let's pause this for a sec. When it feels like working again. Okay, so right click start and click network connections, which I did. I'm just waiting for the screen to pop up now. 7 years later, yay, got here. Okay, I'm actually gonna just boy oh boy. You can tell I've been having a lot of fun with this one tonight. Okay, so on network connections, we're gonna go into the Ethernet right here and go to its properties. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at the wrong part of the book. Okay, I need to go right click, Start. Ah, boy. Good God, it is 2 in the morning. Okay. So I was right in the first place. I apologize. I'm really tired right now. Really cranky. Really pissed. I might as well be pregnant. Good God, dude. Alright, man. This is just way too irritating for me to just continue to wait and wait and wait around. I've been playing this game 8 to 10 hours today. This is the next thing you would do. My machine will not cooperate with me, and I do not want to be here any longer trying to do this video. You would right click start right here. You would go to network connections. Let's see if it'll actually do it. Okay, it's not going to do it. So you would go to network connections, and as you get there, you would go into the properties of the network connections and change the IPv4 address to 203.0.113.10 with your C class subnet mask. And as soon as this actually wants to do it, I'd love to show you how it wants to do it, but it's not going to show you how to do it. So after that, close the network connections window. Bam. Okay, we closed it. Awesome. Then after you close the network connections window, you would have to go to your network ensuring center. Click set up a new connection or network. Really like to show you how to do that. Well, okay, you would have three options. Choose a connection option. It would be connect to the internet. Either connect to the internet, set up a new network, or connect to a workplace. Set up a dial-up or VPN connection to your workplace. That's the one you choose is connect to the workplace. It'll be the third option down. Click next. And how do you want to connect? Window, click use my internet connection, which will be the top option up here. There's two. There's an option up here. If you see a window asking whether you want to set up an internet connection before continuing, click I'll set up an internet connection later. And then type the internet address to the connect the window, type 203.0.113.1. After that, a network panel opens on the right, which would be right over here, and it would say VPN connection, and you would click on your VPN connection, and it would start connecting, and then you would have to actually you'd be prompted to where you have to enter your name, your username, and your password. And what we used is you would type 411 server 2 VPN test 1 in the username text box, and password 01 in the password text box, and then click OK. In the networks panel, you should see the VPN connection status listed as connected. And that is where I continue to keep getting my error, my 800 error, and I swear to you, I will figure out what is going on with it tomorrow when I'm running it on a real system and not 4 gigabytes of space for how much work I had to do for this class. So in the Network Ensuring Center, click Change Adapter Settings. And if you don't know where Change Adapter Settings are, you would go to your right click. You would right click Start down here. Go to your Network Ensuring Center again. Change Adapter Settings is right over here. Right click the VPN connection and click Status. Click Details to see the IPv4 address assigned, which should be 10.11.0.100. Then click Close twice. Right click the VPN connection and click Connect Disconnect in the network panel. Click VPN connection and click Disconnect. Reconnect 411 Win8 to the 1011 set network and set its IP address to obtain an IP address automatically. I am frustrated, pissed off, and I would love to do this again, but if not, that's my video, and I apologize for nothing moving.